Assalamu alaikum and good morning. This is going to be the seventh video of this lesson, the rat trap from the Flamingo textbook. Let us read together. I would request all the students to have the textbook. Let's begin to read from page number 41. If you have any query, question, feel free to ask me on my WhatsApp number. Let us read this lesson, and it is going to be the last video of this lesson, and inshallah we will get rid of this lesson with much understanding, inshallah. Let's begin to read. After that Christmas, page number 41, the very first paragraph. After that Christmas, Eve at Ramshaw passed just as it always had. The stranger didn't cause any trouble because he did nothing but sleep. He didn't sleep for many days, so he was just sleeping. He had profound sleep at the house of our master. The whole forenoon he lay on the sofa in one of the guest rooms and slept at one stretch. He was sleeping only. He did not do anything but sleep. At noon they woke him up so that he could have his share of the good Christmas fare. He was sleeping, so he was waken up. They woke him up in order to have Christmas food. But after that he slept again. It seems as though for many years he had not been able to sleep as quietly and safely as here at Ramshaw. He was sleeping it looks as if he didn't sleep for many years and many days. And he was sleeping very quietly and peacefully. The peddler went to sleep after having food. He did not cause harm to anyone and lay down on the sofa in the guest house. He was once woken up in the afternoon, but after having his lunch, he again went to sleep. It was like as if he had never got the chance to sleep so peacefully as he had got at this place. This is the explanation in a nutshell. Let's begin to read the very next paragraph. In the evening, the Christmas tree was lighted. Yes. And they woke him up again. And he stood for a while in the drawing room, blinking as though the candlelight hurt him. He was standing far away from that, little bit far away. But after that he disappeared again. Then he again disappeared. 2 hours later he was aroused once more. He then had to go down into the dining room and eat the Christmas fish and porridge. He was very hungry. In the evening, the family woke him up as they had to light up the Christmas tree. He stood there blinking as if he was getting hurt by the bright light of the candle. He again went to sleep. Finally, they called him again for the dinner of Christmas fish and porridge. Right? This is very nice explanation. We'll move to the 49th paragraph. I will just read it and I will explain you, inshallah, while reading. As soon as they got up from the table, he went around to each one present and said, "Thank you and good night." Once he finished eating, and when everyone was going, he expressed his thanks towards everyone. But when he came to the young girls, he gave him to understand that it was her father's intention that the suit which he wore was to be Christmas present. He didn't have to return it. And if he wanted to spend the next Christmas Eve in a place where he could rest in a peace and be sure that no evil would befall him, he would be welcome back again. So when he went to that girl, approached to the girl, it was girl who told him that the suit that he had worn, it's a Christmas gift given by his father, and he didn't want you to give it back. It's a gift given by his father. After the dinner, let me explain in a nutshell. After the dinner was over, the peddler thanked everyone present. The ironmaster daughter says that the clothes which were given to him were a Christmas present from her father, so he could carry them with him. She even invited the peddler to be with her family for the next Christmas Eve and promised that nothing bad would happen to him. Let's begin to read the next paragraph. The man with the rat trap did not answer anything to this. He only stared at the young girl in boundless amazement. The next morning, the ironmaster and his daughter got up in good season to go to the early Christmas service. The guest was still asleep and they did not disturb him. So he was standing and looking at this girl with quite boundless amazement. Right? Boundless means limitless, amazement means wonder. The peddler did not have an answer for this and stared at this girl with wonder. Next day, both ironmaster and his daughter went for the Christmas service early in the morning. They didn't disturb the guest as he was asleep. When at about 10 o'clock they drove back from the church. They were coming back from the church. The young girl sat and hung her head even more dejectedly than usual. She was under stress and she put her head down as if she was she was very sad and very uncomfortable. At church she had learned that one of the old crofter of the ironworks had been robbed by a man who went around selling rat traps. So from church she came to know that a rat trap seller, peddler, hawker, wanderer, tramp had committed theft at the house of one of the worker who was there working at who was there working in that iron factory, and they came to know, and she became very sad because she herself had invited, she had given shelter to that man, those her father warned her, and because of this reason she was very unhappy. Yes, that was a fine fellow you led into the house. Father taunted her. Said her father, I only wonder how many silver spoons are left in the cupboard by this time. And father taunted her, saying that he must have stolen, he must have committed theft, stealing many silver spoons which are there at home. Both ironmaster and his daughter had come to know that the rat seller had stolen money from the old crofter. They realized that he was the same man whom they had over as a guest. The ironmaster said it was his daughter who insisted to give shelter to a thief who was wondering that how many silver spoons had been stolen by him. Anyway, the last two paragraph I will explain in the very next video, inshallah. So meanwhile, Allah Hafiz. I will make the last video of 5 minutes, 5 or 8 minutes only, so we will be able to finish it. Okay, so I will explain it later on, please.